Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Kura, and on this channel we talk about everything that makes me feel beautiful, which is most of the time fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you like any of those things, please feel free to subscribe, watch more of my videos, and click the bell notifications. So it was my birthday a few days ago and I was able to get a few things. If you watched my vlog a few days back, you would have known that I spoke about going to the Louis Vuitton store, and here I'm going to show you what I got. But I also want to quickly show you one other thing that I got. These Tom Ford see-through kind of old school 90s pink lens sunglasses. Now, I would not wear these with this outfit just because I feel like I got a lot going on already with the headscarf, but these things are so good. They're just like easy 90s laid back cool girl type of vibe. Right now I'm not giving off the cool girl type of vibe with the hair and the puffy sleeves, but if I were to wear like a nice blazer, a Chanel brooch, a blazer over my shoulders, a Chanel brooch, and a clutch with these, like the cool girl vibe, these would be it. The first time I saw these was on Pockets and Bows, is that her name? Brittany Pockets and Bows, and she had it on with this all white outfit with some nice jewelry. I was like, okay, where are those? Where can I find those? I actually found them on Nordstrom Rack for like almost half off of what they really should be. Actually, I also saw them on Hilo Luxe. She had these in brown. I cannot find those anywhere. Any place that I feel like is a reputable place to buy from. But they are gorgeous. They're a good price for what they are. I mean, well, they're a good price for the name brand that they are, because they're a good percentage off at Nordstrom Rack, and I just think they're cool. So that is a little addition I wanted to add, and I'm glad that I found them. So let's get into the Louis Vuitton. So the first piece of Louis Vuitton that I got, I didn't actually get from Louis Vuitton. I've been wanting this little Toiletry 19 from Louis Vuitton for a while, and I actually got it from Fashionphile. I was not able to find it on the site. You know, you have to be either the lucky few to call in and get the Toiletry 19, or just catch them when they are on, when they are available to sell. So I was so happy to have found this on Fashionphile in pristine condition. Like, there's no marks, there's no stretching. It's perfect. The zipper is perfect. And I think this would be a really cute thing to put in my purse. The other thing is I found it for a really good price. Now, if you buy this from the Louis Vuitton site, it's upwards of $400, I think. But when you go to Fashionphile, they could be $500-$600, which is really confusing to me because they're secondhand. I actually got this for the same price as it is on the site. The only thing it is that it didn't come with a dust bag, which I'm totally fine with because I have other dust bags to use. But I'm totally excited about this. I'm contemplating if I need to get the 26. I don't know, but I think this is just cute. I know some people use it as a clutch, which I probably won't use. I think it's kind of small for a clutch, but I think it's cute to have things that go in your bag that make you happy. I also have a cosmetic pouch, and I actually contemplated if I need both, and I think that's an interesting thing. I watched a few videos to see if both are necessary, and of course, it's Louis Vuitton, none of it is necessary, but I did want to have it for two different reasons. The cosmetic pouch would hold my lipstick for the day, my lip gloss, my mascara, like any makeup bits will go in here, and anything like my lotion, any aspirin I need, tissues, they will go in here. I'm the kind of person that needs a well organized bag because I will trash a bag in a minute. So what other better way to organize your bag with a little luxury? it was such a weird experience to go get the Louis Vuitton because I had to pick it up in Long Island, and the line to get into the store was just weird because it was after, well, Long Island had just recently opened up because New York City hasn't opened up yet, and there was still a line to get in, and I'm like, why do you guys, I want a line now, but I'm like, why does everybody need Louis Vuitton right now? But anyway, and lastly, I got these drop dead gorgeous earrings that I have been looking at for over a year. I was trying to justify the price, which I honestly still cannot justify this price, but they are just, you guys, they are just beautiful. I just, every time I see them on somebody else, okay, so let me show you. What's cool about these is they have a little L and an R in these to tell you what side the earring should be on. That's an R. They're very different than the earrings I have on right now. These earrings are pretty and quite demure. They're cute. But these, oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my goodness. I am a huge accessory person. So I actually have a video coming up of me organizing and getting rid of some of my old jewelry and like a little collection at a haul, because I'm a huge accessory person. Okay, don't mind me, I'm looking in my viewfinder. Give me a second. What? These are fabulous. They're giving me like an old school vintage vibe. Like in 20 years, 20, 30 years, when I'm an old lady, the 20-year-olds are going to be like, Miss, I love your earrings. Are they vintage? Like, they look vintage, you know what I mean? This is just a classic piece that I'll never, ever get rid of. They're not heavy, but they're also not super light. They're substantial. Yeah, they're beautiful. There's not much I can say about these. You could see these, a lot of girls have them. I'm not the originator here, but I feel like they just add a little punch. See, it even made my outfit look different. These earrings, the little demure, little cute earrings, made me look a little more, they made me look a little more sweet. These earrings made me look bad A. Do you know what I mean? Like, oh my goodness, I love these. These are great. So anyway, guys, that's my little short video. It's nothing long. It was really quick. I just wanted to show you what I got. And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm mostly excited about my earrings, if I'm being honest. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I have another video coming up. The next video I'm thinking will be my Hermes lipstick video and how it wears. Is it worth the price? Look out for that. Please subscribe if you are into luxury and fashion and beauty and lifestyle and anything that makes you feel pretty. So thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video.